We produce the world's safest, highest quality, lowest cost lithium-ion batteries, and we do this at scale. I think when you look at challenges with manufacturing in general, and particularly for EVs, there's three core aspects of that. One is the supply chain, and how do you bring the supply chain closer to North America? I think COVID was a great teacher in that, in how do you bring that closer. The second piece is really cost, with batteries making up about 30% of the total cost of an EV. Cost is always a factor that we look at. And then the third one is really the technology itself. With the rapid advancement of Gen AI, agentic AI, etc., you're really looking at how do you leverage technology to create greater OEE and reduce cost of your battery manufacturing. I think when you look at quality, that is just a core function of what we do at Panasonic Energy Corporation North America. It is ingrained in everything we do on a day-to-day basis. And from a sustainability perspective, I think we all want to leave the world a better place for future generations. We had multiple disparate data sources all over the gigafactory, and how do you bring those data sources together? And the second one was really our processes. How do you simplify our processes to create a better end user experience? One of the reasons we selected SAP S4 as our foundational platform was, one, there was a natural progression from ECC to S4, and we were an ECC shop. Secondly, it was taking advantage of the know-how from SAP experts who understand industry best practices, as well as our vendor partners like Capgemini, who could bring in their wealth of experience and help us simplify those business processes. The way SAP creates intelligence within the organization is, one, it's the core foundational platform for data, all transactional data. And then when you use bolt-ons like SAP Cloud Analytics, it gives us real-time visibility, which helps us make better, more informed decisions. I believe the importance of cloud-based analytical tools, one, gives you access to real-time data. This helps the decision-making process both at the executive level and the operator level, where you really need to make instant decisions. I think any success of an ERP program should be measured by how are you adding value to your business. These could include metrics such as reduced lead time, freed up cash flow, and also most importantly, the end user experience. I believe one of the greatest impacts to our employees on this S4 change has been the simplification of processes. It has allowed them to leverage the automation within SAP and use their time for more value-added activities. I think the reason we chose Capgemini as a partner on our S4 journey was, one, they brought a tremendous wealth of experience. Two, they had industry knowledge of what we wanted to do. And three, you always judge a vendor by not what they do when things go right, but what they do when things don't go as well, and how they really come forward as a partner. And I believe Capgemini did that for us.